Marcy Morgan here, and I give you tips and tricks in your hacks in your business and your personal life. So today we're talking about QuickBooks and an audit trail. Now you may not be familiar with the audit trail because it's more of an accountant tool, but I'm going to show you an audit trail and how it works and why you may want to use it. Okay, so let's dive in. So let's get over here to QuickBooks. And in our QuickBooks, you'll see here that I'm in the sample QuickBooks file. And there's nothing in the audit trail because I don't have anything done. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to do something. We need to do some kind of transaction. So what I'll do is we'll just make an invoice real quick, and we'll just say delivery, and we'll say save and close, and we'll say the customer job. All right, we're going to say Adam's Candy Shop. All right, so here we go. We're going to say save and close, and I did this little invoice, and we're going to say Adam's Candy Shop, we received $15, right? We received a check, it was $100, and there's that $15, and we're going to say save and close. All right, so what we're doing is we're going to look at the audit trail. In the audit trail, what we do is we go to reports, then we come down to accountant and taxes, and you will see here audit trail. Under the audit trail, now you see that something happened. Okay? Now, what's interesting is you can modify this report, but it's going to tell you who did what, who received the money, who made the invoice. So the report obviously can be modified, and what that means is you can put the name, you can put the time, you can put the date, and so it's telling you every single thing that happens, okay, in the books. This is why in the other video I showed you and cautioned you about extending how long, up to 90 days of not logging, having to log in. It's because anybody can get in your books. Now, let's say someone did get in your books. The first place you would go is the audit trail to find out who. Okay? Now, it's also a good place to try and find out if where an error took place. So let's say in this example, I did an invoice. I created an invoice and then I turned around and I received payment. Well, the thing is, in certain companies, if you're big, you may just have an accounts payable person and then you have an accounts receivable. Well, the accounts receivable is the one that takes in the money, not make the invoices. So your sales team out there may be making the sales, the invoices. So you have to pay attention. And this is a tool for an auditor to notice if there's any inconsistencies. So an audit trail report comes in extremely helpful, though Normally it's for the accountant. If I brought you any value or entertainment or good information, please like, subscribe, and follow me for another video. Bye-bye.